Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Ever feel like you're reading a foreign language every time you open your insurance policy? What if I told you there's a dark side to that fine print, hidden clauses and loopholes that can leave you high and dry when you need coverage the most? That's right. Today, we're diving deep into the shadowy world of insurance, exposing the secrets that could cost you more than you think. Insurance policies are supposed to be your financial safety net, but sometimes, they come with hidden strings attached. Imagine this: you file a claim after an accident only to find that your policy excludes exactly what you need. It's not because you made a mistake, it's because the contract you signed contains hidden clauses that you never even knew existed. These little details, tucked away in dense legal language, can completely change how much you get when you need it most. And trust me, getting caught out by these loopholes is not a mistake you want to make. Insurance companies thrive on complexity. They design their policies in a way that you and I might not notice the fine print when paying our monthly premiums. But hidden clauses aren't just mistakes or oversights, they're often carefully crafted terms that protect the company's bottom line at your expense. For instance, a clause might limit coverage in certain situations, or even nullify a claim if conditions aren't met perfectly. And while these might seem trivial at first glance, in moments of crisis, they can mean the difference between full coverage and a financial nightmare. Let's talk about hidden endorsements, additional terms that get attached to the base policy, often without your clear understanding. These endorsements can cover a wide range of unexpected scenarios, but sometimes they exclude particular events or impose extra conditions you'd never expect. Have you ever wondered why some policies have paragraphs detailing what counts as unforeseeable events? That's the insurance company covering all its bases. And more often than not, those paragraphs are where the loopholes hide. Now, it might sound overwhelming, but knowledge is power. The trick isn't to be paranoid about insurance, it's to be an informed consumer. Start by reading your policy thoroughly. Yes, its dense and legal speak can be confusing, but knowing your coverage inside and out can save you from unpleasant surprises later on. Don't hesitate to ask your insurance representative for a plain language breakdown of your policy's terms. A reputable company will explain things clearly, but if they're evasive, that should be a red flag. Here's an important tip: look out for exclusions. Exclusions tell you exactly what isn't covered, and they can sometimes be hidden in a long list of definitions or technical clauses. Also, be aware of non-disclosure or misrepresentation clauses. These can be used to deny claims if it's determined that you withheld information or even if your answers were deemed insufficiently detailed. It's not about catching you out, it's about protecting the company from payouts they believe aren't justified. Another dark corner of insurance policies is the contestability period, typically the first 2 years of a policy. During this time, if the insurer discovers any inaccuracies or undisclosed pre-existing conditions, they could deny the claim entirely. This period exists solely to protect the insurer, but it can leave policyholders feeling betrayed when a claim they assumed was covered is suddenly rejected. The moral of the story: don't sign on the dotted line without doing your homework. It's not enough to rely on your agent's pitch or marketing brochures. Take the time to scrutinize every clause, every exclusion. Consider consulting with an independent insurance advisor or even a lawyer if you're making a significant financial commitment. Your future self will thank you when you aren't caught off guard by a hidden loophole. If this video shed some light on the dark side of insurance for you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with anyone who might be in danger of overlooking those hidden clauses. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments. Let's work together to expose these industry secrets. Thanks for watching, and remember, read the fine print, question the details, and protect yourself from the dark corners of the insurance world. Catch you in the next one.